So, my dear Vibers, here is Vibe Color friend Rom. Today, in the day number 6, creating 30 mobile apps in 30 days. Today, we're gonna create a My AnimeList clone only using Vibe Coding editors. If you don't know me, I am Rom. I'm making this challenge when I need to create 30 mobile apps only using VibeCoding software with free option, and always try to show you how to create your own mobile apps for free in an easy way. So let's get started. First of all, obviously, all the resources for this video is going to be in the link below. Just go over there, click on the link below, and just get started. So first of all, go to the copy paste sum. That's something that I really like. Just go here, copy this following prompt, go to Lovable, right? Go to Lovable and paste this. Just send it and just sit down and wait. Perfect, guys. We have our My AnimeList clone already created. Let me explain very quick. This is the code that we copied. This code have included the API and all the things to make the callbacks with the My AnimeList API. It's pretty easy to use. So how you can see, we can find different animes, information about this. Very easy. But I don't like the front end because this looks like more than a website than a mobile app. So it's time to build the front end. Perfect. Just copy this following prompt, go back and paste it. Perfect. It's just time to wait. Right, guys, we have the final app here, how you can see here. Perfect. It's more responsive. It looks like more an application. Perfect. It works very well. Home to animes, all the stuff like that. Discover, perfect. Epic battles, school lives, new release, perfect. My list. This is more a blank sample. Obviously, this community is fake because we don't have a community yet, but we have all the stuff that I really like to create this mobile application. So it's time to create the backend. So go to Supabase, create an account on Supabase, very easy. I'm gonna follow all this step with you. Create a new organization, a new project like this one. Just wait a bit more. Now we have our project finally created. Go back to Lovable. Perfect. Connect Supabase. Right. What to say? All Lovable to use this application. Obviously, yes. I would like to know, guys. Do you like Lovable or would you prefer that I use Bolt, Berserk, Tempo, or other kind of VibeCoding editors? I would like to know your opinion about this. So it's ready. It's time to connect. Perfect. Puppy dashboard. Perfect. Connect. Yeah. Connected. This is really well because we are going to create our database. Right. We only have only two messages to finish this app today. Remember, I'm only creating this with the free options, but don't worry, guys. I got all the prompts here. So we have already replication connect Supabase. Perfect. So it's time to go back to the sources material. Perfect. After connecting to Supabase, copy and paste this into Lovable. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. Following a structure based on the first create one feature in the back and all after this feature is working. Remember guys, the structure that I always tell you, ask to the AI first work in a specific feature. And only if this feature is working very fine, then go to the other to get it to do not make so many crashes. You don't know how many crashes you can avoid if you follow this simple structure to say, hey, do this step by step and split the following tasks in very small tasks and first do this and only after finish this and revising this is working very well, then go to the other. This can save you a lot of messages, a lot of time, and a lot of headaches. So perfect. This is for the login and to save all the data. Let me send this. Perfect. Now it's time to wait. Right, guys, let me tell you something. I feel a bit ashamed about this, but there was a crash, so entire app crashed. So I need to fix this, but I'm running out of message. Apparently, I have no message for today. And remember, I can use my paid account. I can only use all the free option. So for this video, I really wish that I like to connect this to Supabase to create the backend, but I have no messages to make these connections. To keep to work with the challenge, I handled to create a test mode. Yeah, a test mode, a test mode to test the application quickly. So let's create the app because I know this is only a demo, but it's worked for this video. So remember the steps to first of all publish your apps, publish your app. Meanwhile we wait for this, go to Recraft AI. Remember, Recraft AI is in the material searches. Perfect. Create new image. Click on Recraft icon. Perfect. Apply. Now on UI icon, app logo design for anime slash anime character inside of a logo. Minimal gradient with a Japanese flag. For example, let's create this. This is gonna be the logo of our AI for application. Alright, perfect. Let's finally deploy it. Alright, copy this. Go to medium.co, create an account. Remember, always the same steps. Create a new app. Perfect. Paste the web app to here. Anime Nexus. Start building my application. So, oh, I like it a lot. This one design. So, export PNG to have no problems. Right. Perfect. Just wait a bit. Alright. Change image. Right, change image. Find this. Alright. Open. A bit bigger, not perfect. right? Just wait a bit more. So meanwhile, guys, I just wanna apologize because I feel a bit bad because I couldn't create the backend of this app. But remember, this is part of the challenge. I'm everyday learning, everyday making mistakes like you. I'm not different than you. I got so many mistakes, errors, so I got a lot of lessons to learn in this new VibeCoding journey. But that's the point of this series. Test my skills and keep improving. To give you my vibers the best content as possible, the best templates, create the best bike colors community of ever. Perfect. Save changes. Done editing. Perfect. Alright. Download Android. Remember, I actually have no iPhone over here to create that tutorial, but I promise you in the future create this tutorial. Perfect. Build all. Just wait. Perfect. Our application is being created right now. So guys, remember, leave in the comment a few ideas that a few applications that you would like to create to make something different, because to be honest, we all sometimes I run out of ideas. I have no creativity. For example, yesterday I was just speaking with Cloud, talking about a few ideas to create applications that were simple to teach you, because one of the biggest obstacles is I can only use 5 messages. So I can go to create something deeper and bigger because I'm only using 5 messages. That's the free option because that's part of the challenge. So guys, I'm gonna install the application on my device and I'm back. Perfect guys, I have installed the application. How you can see here, AnimeList. Perfect. Let me close this to start from zero. What's up, vibers? In this moment, my microphone ran out of battery, so I'm just charging it. But it's gonna finish. How you can see, the app is finally working, despite it's only a demo. I just wanna apologize about that, but I ran out of message. This is part of the challenge. So remember, all the research is gonna be in the link below. For this time, I want to load this template to the Vibe market because this template is only a demo. It's not a 100% functional app, and I don't want to load this to Vibe market. So if you like this video, if you want to leave me your comment, any kind of feedback would be appreciated. So see you, my vibers, and remember, keep building, keep creating, keep believing in you.